Today we are going to make a passion fruit with lemon honey juice. This is a passion fruit. It's a frozen passion fruit. We are going to cut it first.
Hi everyone.
This is Joe.
This is Leo.
Welcome to Diku channel. If you like our food, please subscribe our channel. We will update more food. Tonight we are going to barbecue salmon lemon. Let's do it.
Now we need maybe wait like 10 minutes. We're ready. This is the salmon tail. We try to do the
whole piece.
steak.
This is a black pepper because salmon is very easy to be cooked. That's why we need set the fire to be slow cook.
Backyard snake. We put the backyard outside. So now the salmon smell good. The first place we put, I think it's well cooked. I like the salmon belly. It tastes good. And Joe, you can try.
I want to try some thing maybe a little bit rare. So let me try this one.
And now, if you like, you can also put the lemon juice on the top.
It's very tender.
Good.
It's very delicious.
Soft.
It's just like a melt in my mouth. You should try it.
Good. And juicy. Last one.
We just cleaned the everything, and we just wanna try some professional style. Wait and see what we are going to do.
Sushi stone. The sushi style is high temperature cook.
Make the outside like top is crispy.
Yeah.
So we wanna try that.
The belly.
Smells so good, and the outside is so crispy. You should try that if you can.
Different style. Nice.